Hello everyone, my name is Tui and tonight we're going to talk about the control of cell division. There are several controls of the cell division and there are two types, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis, it occurs in all other cells in the body. The parent cell produces two daughter cells. It is important in tissue growth, tissue repair, and tissue replacement. Mitosis has two major phases, interphase and mitotic phase. Interphase. During interphase, the cell prepares to divide. There are three sections in interphase, the G1 phase, the S phase, and the G2 phase. In the G1 phase, the new organelles are produced. It is also increased proteins. The centrioles begin to replicate that will produce two new pairs. During the S phase, the DNA replicates. During the G2 phase, the cell growth continues. The centrioles replication is complete, and the cell prepares to divide. During the mitotic phase, there are two phases that takes place. Mitosis is the division of cells, and cytokinesis is the division of cytoplasm. The M phase has four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Meiosis, it occurs in sex cells or gametes, egg cells in females or sperm cells in males. Human sperm cells and egg cells has 23 chromosomes. It is a reduction division. In the prophase 1, it is where the chromosomes are going to condense and thicken and line up with their homologous pairs to exchange information called crossing over. In metaphase 1, the chromosomes will be in the middle in pairs. Anaphase 1, the chromosomes will pull away from each other by the spindle fibers. In telophase 1, it is where you have two newly formed nuclei. In meiosis 2, prophase 2, chromosomes and spindle starts to form like in prophase 1. In metaphase 2, chromosomes will line up in the middle in a single line. Anaphase 2, chromatids will be the one that is being pulled away by the spindle fibers. And telophase 2, the nuclei are reforming and two cells are going to divide so that four cells will be formed. Cytokinesis will completely split the cytoplasm. And these are where I got my sources. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night.